Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis and I also bring important market-related information. And today I'll be analyzing the stock Royal Bank of Canada. This video will be useful for those people who are already invested or they have invested in Royal Bank of Canada or who are planning to invest in this particular stock. So you can see on the screen that I have another tab open, top 30 companies of Canada and by market capitalization, market cap. So I have this 30 companies list and I will be analyzing each and every stock in different videos. Okay, so for every stock there will be different video. Okay, so right now I will be analyzing Royal Bank of Canada. I am not going into the fundamental analysis. I am not going into how the business is going on and all. Okay, I'll be just looking at the chart and we'll be just analyze the stock with the help of chart only. That's it. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, on the screen you can see that I have the stock of Royal Bank of Canada and I'm using the daily time frame. I am not switching over to 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame because those time frame are for day traders only. And for day trading or stock recommendation, I bring videos every day. So the stocks that I recommend every day will be coming tomorrow, not today. Okay, this is for investment purpose only. So on the screen I have the candlestick chart and I am using two moving averages, 50 period moving average and 200 period moving average. Okay, so on the screen you can see that right now the stock is trading at 109.77. This can you just see this move? This is a huge move. It moved from 91 to 107. Okay, almost 108. Okay, this was a huge move, and after that market came down to take a rest and went up again, but market failed to cross the previous high. This was the high market made, and when after going up again, when market reached this particular level, it failed to break this previous high, again came down, took support at 103 level, again bounced from here. Okay, again bounced from here, and it took around 2 weeks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, more than 2 weeks. Okay, because in each week we have 5 trading days, so it took around 3 weeks to reach this particular level, and right now market has successfully reached this particular resistance level. Okay, so does it mean that this is the right time to invest? Let's find out. If I zoom out the chart, okay, you can see that I am zooming out the chart. If I zoom out the chart again, you see that market has reached this particular level on 18 November last year, and price has memory. Okay. This was the highest point. This was the highest point, and we are in a daily time frame. So market reached the highest point at 25th November 2019, and right now market is standing at the same point. So this particular price level is very crucial for Royal Bank of Canada. If it successfully breaches this level, then we can say yes, market is bullish. Okay, and if the market, if you look at the candle, okay, if you look at the candle, you can see that market tried to go up, but there was a price rejection from above. That means that that particular resistance is still valid. There is someone sitting above who is not allowing the stock to go up in a comfortable way. So you need to wait and watch. That's it. And if you are already And if you've got the shares of RY at present, then I'll say keep your fingers crossed. Just hope that market crosses this particular resistance level. If market comfortably breaks this resistance level of 109.8, let's say, then this particular point will be no longer valid and market will, okay, market will go up. And if you're not, if you have not bought any shares of Royal Bank of Canada and you're thinking that yes, I'll buy some shares for my children or for future, then I'll say that just wait for a couple of days, just see how does it react. Okay. And if the stock fails to cross this 109.88 level and comes down, then you can pick this stock for future investment at 103.2 level or 3 level, this particular level. Okay, you can break, you can you can buy shares at this particular level. This will be a very comfortable level for you. Just make sure that you get a candlestick pattern like this line. If you spot a candlestick pattern like this in the future at this level, then it's a buy. Okay, but right now you just need to wait and watch. Okay, just need to wait and watch how it will react. That's it. If it breaks this particular level, then it's good enough. This particular resistance will become the support in the future. But as of now, this resistance is still valid because this price rejection proves it very well. Let's switch to 1 week time frame. See, in the 1 week time frame also, this is a very I'll say that there's extreme resistance available at 109.7 level. So if market reaches this level, then it's very good for the stock. And if it bounces from this level, then you just need to wait. If it breaks the level, if it breaks this particular level, then it's a thumbs up. Okay. Because if we look at the trend of the stock in the weekly chart, then the trend is very nice. Okay, trend is very nice, kind of smooth, I'll say. Hmm. But may bounce, sorry, may reverse from here. May reverse from here. Okay. Hopefully, all have understood the logic. So just keep your eyes glued to the screen and just watch how does it react. And that's it. That's it with the Royal Bank of Canada. Okay. Hopefully, all have understood where you should buy, where you should not buy, where you should wait. And okay. So thank you so much.